If you're most interested in learning about the natural history of the Squam Lakes, the Nature of the Lakes cruise is for you. You'll learn about the animals and plants of the lake and how they adapt to live here, and about the islands, mountains, and coves that make the lake special.
So here we are. We have arrived at Squam Lake. This is often called the Big Lake because there's Little Squam and then Squam Lake. And this one stretches about 6 miles to Sandwich and then 6 miles across the other way.
See wildlife like loons, cormorants, and herons. Learn about the great habitat the lakes have to offer to the animals and plants that live there. Learn how to value and protect such natural places and what is already being done to keep the Squam Lakes safe.
Look at the right-hand side of the cove. You'll see it's a predator guard. It almost looks sort of like a rounded lobster trap. So that really helps them because it's a lot easier for them to protect the nest. That's a special protected area for a tree. And there's what are called tupelo trees in there.
This is Jim and Nancy Ainsworth from Hartford, Connecticut, and we just wanted to say thanks to the Science Center for taking us on a great cruise. Mother Nature has provided some amazing gifts, and it's very comforting to know that they're being preserved and saved for all to enjoy. Thank you.